Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie and I do a lot of unboxing videos from Degustabox to Glossy-Box to Pink Parcel. If any of these are the types of videos that you enjoy watching, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So today's unboxing is of the March edition of Pink Parcel. If you don't know what Pink Parcel is, it's a monthly feminine hygiene and beauty subscription box which costs £12.99 a month including delivery, and you get a selection of feminine hygiene products from a selection, so you can pick what brand you want and what type of products, whether that's sanitary towels or tampons, or you can have a mixture of both. And there is also a beauty and lifestyle box in there where you always get a tea, some chocolate and some beauty products. This month there is a new bag. Normally it comes in a black bag. I don't know if I've got any around me. Let's have a quick look. This is the bag you normally receive. So this month is a pretty pink one with white drops on. You can actually see the colours for it, and it does say Pink Parcel on it. So I wonder if this is a new permanent design. What I don't like about the bags is it's a drawstring but it's only one side, so it does come undone. It would be better if it undid on both sides. So in here you get your for now ones, which I try and carry around in my bag if I'm due on, and if I'm on my period I will take this with me if I'm going out for the day. I won't always take that many with me, but there is 6 pads in there and 6 panty liners. I don't particularly like these ones, they're very thin, it's pointless having them. Then there is the for night box, which has got the bigger nighttime pads in. Then there is the for later, which has got the majority of the pads in. These are the Always Infinity normal without wings, in case you're wondering which ones are in here. Then we're on to the For You box. So there is the For You box. Every month you normally get a snack item. It's normally a chocolate, and it's normally a dark chocolate, which doesn't really interest me. This month you get 8 Bites chocolate, crispy and crunchy chocolate snack, high in fibre, gluten free, sample pack, not for resale. You normally get a tea each month, and this month you get Whittards of Chelsea number 12 English Rose. Ingredients: black tea and flavouring. Next item is open. Is a product that I know and like. It's Balance Me Natural Skincare Hyaluronic Pumping Mist. So you got a little sample of that, which I'm happy about. And there is a absolutely tiny sachet of this, which is Oppitat Feel Good Coffee Scrub Mouth-Watering Mandarin. I mean, it's a body scrub, but there's hardly anything in it. You'd be lucky if there's enough in there for one arm. A little item here. Oh, this is tiny. I don't know how I'm going to read this. Pucker Up Lip Plumper. Directions for use. Dose the brush tip with the desired amount before applying evenly to the lips. A tingling sensation should follow as the product takes effect. The next item is the Super Matte by Jelly Pong Pong. I don't own anything currently by Jelly Pong Pong. Of course I've heard of them. I like the funky packaging here. And let's see what it looks like. It's kind of like a comic kind of design on it. Gold lid. I'm guessing this is the colour, which doesn't really impress me because I'm not really into reds. Just looks like a crayon. I'm not going to swatch it. If you want to see a swatch of it, check out my blog post, which will be up within the next week. My blog is always linked down below, and I'll do a review of all the items included in the box. The final item I know pretty well. It is the Dr. Organics Moroccan Rose Superfood Facial Oil. I got this originally in the January Glossy box. I use this every day and my skin absolutely loves it, and it has never looked better. I use it after cleansing before I moisturise, and I can put I could put makeup straight on top of this. This is absolutely fantastic. I've used it every day since probably for the last 2 months, and I'm probably almost halfway down. So it probably lasts 4 months if you only use it once a day, and I'd highly recommend this. So I'm very happy that this is in the box. Overall, I'm not impressed with this month's box. All the items in the box in front of you are samples, except for the jelly pong pong and the Moroccan oil. The coconut snacks, or whatever they are, is sample. This is a sample. The Balance Me is a sample. That is not going to do your body, so I don't know why it's in there. They could have put a couple in so you could do your full body. I'm very disappointed with Pink Parcel and the fact that they've sent another box after I've unsubscribed. There will be a blog post up about this parcel very soon, probably within a week. I will put the date on screen because I've already scheduled it in, so you'll know when it's going up, and I'll do a proper review on the items that you can see in front of you. If you've not already done so, please subscribe to my channel. I do videos like this all the time. And like the video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I'll be back very soon. Thank you for watching, everyone. Bye.